Powerful smartphones are no longer reserved for people willing to spend $1,000 or more. Over the last few years, the smartphone industry has slowly shifted, and brands are now proving that flagship-level power doesn't have to come with a flagship price tag. The POCO F8 Ultra is a perfect example of this change. It represents a growing trend where performance, premium features, and solid design are becoming accessible to a much wider audience. From the moment you pick up the POCO F8 Ultra, it feels like a serious device. The build quality is impressive, with a glass front and back paired with a sturdy aluminum frame that gives the phone a solid, confident feel in the hand. Some versions come with a textured, denim-style finish that not only looks unique but also improves grip, making the phone feel secure during everyday use. Adding to that premium touch is IP68 water and dust resistance, a feature that was once exclusive to high-end flagships but is now finding its way into more affordable devices like this one. The display is one of the first things that really stands out during daily use. The POCO F8 Ultra features a large 6.9-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it immediately delivers a smooth and immersive experience. Scrolling feels fluid, animations are clean, and everything from social media to video playback looks sharp and vibrant. The brightness levels are high enough to remain clearly visible outdoors, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web, the display consistently delivers a premium viewing experience that feels well above its price category. Performance is where the POCO F8 Ultra truly lives up to its name. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, this phone offers flagship-grade speed and responsiveness. Everyday tasks feel effortless, with apps launching instantly and multitasking remaining smooth even with multiple apps running in the background. Gaming performance is particularly impressive, as demanding titles run at high settings with stable frame rates. During extended gaming sessions, some warmth can be felt and minor throttling may occur, but for the average user, this is unlikely to affect the overall experience. In practical terms, the POCO F8 Ultra delivers the kind of performance most people expect from phones that cost significantly more. The camera system on the POCO F8 Ultra takes a balanced and practical approach. It features a triple 50-megapixel setup, offering versatility without overpromising. The main camera captures sharp, detailed images with good dynamic range, especially in well-lit conditions. Colors look natural, and images maintain clarity without excessive processing. The periscope telephoto camera supports up to 5x optical zoom, producing surprisingly detailed shots for this price range. The ultra-wide camera performs well for landscapes and group photos, though it doesn't quite match the quality of the main sensor. Video recording is another strong point, with support for up to 8K recording and smooth 4K footage, making the phone a capable option for casual content creators. While the camera system may not outperform the absolute best flagship cameras on the market, it delivers reliable and consistent results that align well with the phone's overall value proposition. Audio quality is one of the most unexpected highlights of the POCO F8 Ultra. The phone features stereo speakers tuned in collaboration with Bose, along with a small built-in subwoofer that adds noticeable depth to the sound. This results in audio that feels fuller and more immersive than what most smartphones in this price range can offer. Music sounds rich, dialogue in movies is clear, and gaming audio has a satisfying presence. It's a feature that genuinely enhances everyday entertainment and sets the phone apart from many of its competitors. Battery life is another area where the POCO F8 Ultra excels. With a large 6,500 mAh battery, the phone comfortably lasts through a full day of heavy use and can easily stretch into a second day with moderate usage. This makes it a reliable companion for users who are constantly on their phones for work, entertainment, or communication. Charging is equally impressive, thanks to 100W wired fast charging that quickly refuels the battery in a short amount of time. On top of that, the phone also supports 50W wireless charging, a feature that remains rare even among more expensive devices. Together, these charging options make battery anxiety almost non-existent. On the software side, the POCO F8 Ultra runs HyperOS 3 based on Android 16. The interface feels smooth, responsive, and modern, with refined animations and a wide range of customization options. While some pre-installed apps and regional ads may be present, most can be removed or disabled, allowing users to tailor the experience to their preferences. Overall, the software complements the hardware well, providing a fast and reliable user experience that feels polished and intuitive. When everything is taken into account, the POCO F8 Ultra clearly demonstrates how far affordable flagship-style phones have come. It delivers strong performance, a high-quality display, excellent battery life, powerful audio, and a capable camera system at a price that undercuts traditional flagship devices. This phone isn't about being perfect in every single category. Instead, it focuses on delivering the features that matter most to the majority of users. The final takeaway is simple. The POCO F8 Ultra proves that powerful phones really are getting cheaper. It's an ideal choice for users who prioritize performance, display quality, battery life, and overall value, without wanting to pay premium flagship prices. While it may not satisfy users who demand the absolute best camera system available, it offers an impressive balance that makes it one of the most compelling smartphones in its category. The POCO F8 Ultra isn't just a good phone, it's a clear sign of where the smartphone industry is headed.